Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the most delicious Southwestern egg rolls. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Okay, so we're going to begin by making our avocado dipping sauce. So to our blender cup, add 4 ounces of cream cheese, a handful of cilantro, 1/4 of a cup of sour cream, 1 avocado, 1 garlic clove, the juice of half a lime, 1/4 of a cup of water, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now we're just going to be blending until smooth. Okay, so once we have that, we're just going to transfer it to our bowl. And here you're going to taste it for salt and so you need to adjust it. But just like that, we have our sauce. So now we're just going to refrigerate it until it's time to enjoy it. Okay, now to make our filling on our pan over medium-high heat, we're going to heat up a little bit of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add our chicken. And just make sure to cut it into small little cubes. To that, add all of our spices. Now mix it and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, our chicken should be fully cooked. Of course, make sure that you check it. And here we're just going to remove it from the heat. Now to the pan, we're going to add a little bit more oil. Now add the onion, along with the bell pepper and jalapeno, and saute it for a couple minutes. After a couple minutes, add the tomato, cilantro, minced garlic, and chipotles. Mix it and allow it to cook for 1 minute. After the minute, add the Southwestern corn, beans, mix it together, and allow it to cook for another minute. Okay, so now lastly, we're going to return our cooked chicken to our pan. Now just mix it all together. Okay, so here you get to taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. But once we have that, now we're just going to turn it off and allow our filling to cool down. And once our filling has cooled down, we can now get ready to wrap our egg rolls. So I'm going to begin by getting my egg roll wrapper. I'm going to be adding some cheese. So just place it in the center. And on top of that, we're going to grab our filling. Going to be adding about 2 spoonfuls, just like that. Now I'm going to grab some water, run it on the edges of my wrapper. Now we grab the ends, close it to form an envelope. Make sure that you seal the edges. Now grab one side and begin to close it. And make sure that it is completely sealed, so like that the cheese doesn't come out while we're frying. And once we get to the end, we're just going to add more water, so like that we can secure the sealing. Now just tie roll it, just like that. And we repeat the process with the rest of our egg rolls. Alrighty, and once we have our egg rolls all nice and wrapped, now we can get ready to fry them. Okay, so here I have my oil set over medium heat. We're just going to allow it to get nice and hot. Okay, so once our oil is nice and hot, we're going to carefully place our egg rolls and just allow them to get nice and golden. Once our egg rolls are nice and golden all around, going to remove them from the oil, set it over paper towels, and just repeat the process with the rest of our egg rolls. Alrighty guys, and once we have our egg rolls, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. These are seriously super easy to make. They're so flavorful, and honestly, everyone loves and enjoys them. So I hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Just look at the sauce. I'm ready. Allow them to cool down a little bit, but these right here, the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it at home. Make super easy and delicious Southwestern egg rolls. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.